Hey, yo, it could be something. Let's see. I hope you don't tear it up though. That's what I'm saying. Cause that backhoe strong. That backhoe strong.
Be easy, man. Be easy on it. Huh? I said be easy on it. We can use that as a platform. And if it tab, it tab. But if
We actually want. I just want the wood.
No, we want the platform.
What you gonna put a platform on?
Don't worry about it. We'll figure it out. We're gonna figure it out. That's our contractor. Hey, Steve.
Hey, how y'all doing this morning? I'm excited it ain't gonna quit raining. We just gonna work here.
Yeah.
Hey, it'll work right here. You can put a hole right now, take a bucket and lift it up.
Okay. You gonna put them both right here? Or put them
You
right
gotta
there?
put one right there.
Yeah, because we can use this as
on that corner?
Yeah.
platform.
Let me get a saw. Cut that real quick there. Have the hole right there.
All right.
Hopefully it'll hold together.
Put it on the house, y'all.
You got just a car to reason.
Let me see. Hold on, let me see. I don't see one, Steven.
You got one? You don't see one? Okay. My cordless one's dead. So
Unless he got one, he might have one in that truck.
Yeah, come see up that down one there and whack up put a stone over that way.
I may cut it right out here so you can get something
Alright.
forward so it won't go rip it off if you kind of
Yeah.
We'll try that and see. Let me grab a cord.
What's going on, JJ?
How your mom doing? She doing all right?
It's raining and it's old and raining, so
I think it'd be easy to report to everybody here on practice right now.
Hey, one of the niggas up like that coming around that way. Tell them what you call that. Pull it down. Pull it that way a little bit. I just got to wait.
Maybe you want to put a hole right here or one right there.
Remember what you got to saw it.
Put it up, put it down. I wish you don't do it.
One. That's one thing. Let's put it on the bucket of food.
Okay, I put it right in the field.
All right, that'll work.
Beautiful. My corner wheels on. It's all dead. I just run it.
Probably 70% chance of rain today. Thinking probably 70%.
I figure since y'all over here, at least we got to get the porch moved.
Yeah.
That'll save you time later. It's gonna rain till I'm here. I think.
Yeah, I get it moved out here out the way.
You brought all that rain from Atlanta.
He brought all that rain from Atlanta.
If he was on that train, it'd be sun out there right now.
Yeah.
Not today.